Tonight's event is Cedar Park STEM Family Night, and it is going to draw nearly 1,000 people, students and parents and grandparents and community members. What we're doing is highlighting our STEM program, and it is one of our biggest events at school.
We have a lot of connections in our community and a lot of people that come to show off different STEM-tacular things. We have lots of people that come with animals, and I always have a fun event in the engineering room. This year it was pumpkin launchers, and I just like to meet all the families and see kids coming together and see them be engineers.
I like when you're doing science, you get to see what happens, and it's also really, really fun. I like making stuff and doing experiments with baking soda and vinegar.
I think I'm gonna do the acorn drop challenge.
What I like about STEM and Family Night is it's really fun. You should go here. It's makes your mind even bigger to think about huge ideas. At school, there's engineering and science, so you can think more.
So we have fantastic business partners and community partners, starting with our schools. So knowing that Valley Middle School is the next opportunity for STEM, they are here helping support, as well as Apple Valley High School.
I think we at Cedar Park do a really good job of reaching out to all of the resources in our county and the state to get the STEM resources into the hands of children. I hope that our families take away that we are a strong community here at Cedar Park. They can see that their students love science, technology, engineering, and math through all of the different experiments we did in our classrooms tonight.
I hope to take away that Cedar Park loves their students, and we are trying to instill in them a love for learning and a love for STEM.
STEM is awesome!
I hope they can be creative, and when they go to play or even to build things on their own in school, that they just bring that creativity to it.
What we're hoping to do is get that wonderment, that excitement of STEM into all the families, and making sure that families embrace that work, and it's the work of the future. So we really want to start building those STEM scholars now.